Decimal example. Now here, this is from a CSEC mathematics past paper. It says without a calculator, calculate the exact value of. Now here, remember, you must not use a calculator, so you have to show exactly how you get each step. Alright? Now let's look at it. We have a bracket here. Let's do this subtraction. Let's do what is in the bracket first. We're going to have the subtraction here. 4 minus 2.95. Let's fill in the space here, 4.00. So we're subtracting. Remember the algorithm that you use here. Where we can just use that algorithm. It's explained in another video, the reasoning behind it. But let's go ahead. We say 5 minus 0, you can't. Try to borrow 1 from 0, you can't. Borrow 1 from 4, you get 3. Go back across. This 0 becomes 9. This is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. Alright, so it's 1.05. So what is in the bracket amounts to 1.05. So what you get here is 0.28 times 1.05 all over, what was it again? 0.7 by 0.14. 0.7 times 0.14. Alright, so what we can do is just get rid of these point business, right, and get whole numbers. When you're not using a calculator, it's less stressful on the brain to deal with whole numbers than points. So let's get rid of the points. We have 0.28. We want to multiply 0.28 by a certain number to get a whole number. We multiply by 100. Alright, times 1.05. We multiply the 1.05 by 100. We're going to have whole numbers up top. Down the bottom now, we have 0.7. If we multiply 0.7 by 10, we're going to get 7, a whole number. But we want to balance out. We want to multiply the denominator by the same thing as we multiply the numerator by. So we multiply by 100, right? Times 0.14, right? Times 100. Notice the hundreds up top and the hundreds down bottom cancel each other. So the value of the fraction remains the same. Well, even though it's decimal, it is a fraction, a number over another number. But the value of the expression remains the same, right? So let's continue down here. What is 0.28 by 100 is 28 times 105. 1.05 by 100 becomes 105 all over. 0.7 by 100 becomes 70 times 0.14 by 100 becomes 14. Alright, so see, looking at this puts less stress on your brain than looking at this. Alright, so here now, what do? We can cancel down. 14 2 is 28, so 14 into 14, 114 into 28 is 2. So we have 2 times times 105 all over 70. Okay, it's a lot simpler now. It looks a lot simpler. 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 70 is 35. I remember in my head that 35, 2 is 70. So 105 divided by 35. What's that equal to now? Suppose we consider 105. What is 105 divided by 5 again? 105 over 5, 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 10, 2. 5 into 5 is 1. Oh, it's 21 by 5. This really becomes 21 times 5 over. Let me rewrite this 5. Alright, this is over. This is divided by what? 7, 5, 35 is 7 times 5. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. 5 will cancel 5. So this becomes 21 divided by 7. 7 into 21 is 3. So we get an answer, 3. Alright? So remember, make use of the paper. Write out the step. Write and write and write. Alright? To get those marks. And show the steps. Alright, so that's it for now.